Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news: AI-based audit detected fraudulent cases in states' beneficiary schemes, says CAG. Controller and Auditor General has achieved a breakthrough in public financial oversight by deploying AI and machine learning technologies. CAG's AI-driven audit revolution. Fraud detection. AI/ML algorithm successfully identified widespread fraudulent activities across multiple state beneficiary schemes. Financial savings. Forensic audits have potential to save state government significant financial resource through early detection. Early detection. SPASH, Revolutionizing Defense Pension System for Pension Administration. Raksha is a comprehensive digital platform launched by Controller General of Defense Accounts for managing pensions of defense personnel and their families. Primary objective: provide direct pension disbursement to beneficiaries without relying on banks intermediaries. Core function: pension sanction, real-time tracking, elimination of delays, digital life certificate submission, integrated help desk and grievance redressal. Digital governance transformation impact: AI-powered auditing, operational efficiency, reduced processing time and errors, sparse system, streamlined defense pension management, IFMS integration, comprehensive financial oversight, enhanced transparency, real-time monitoring and accountability. The convergence of these digital initiatives represents a fundamental shift in how government operations are conducted, moving from traditional paper-based system to sophisticated digital platform that enhances service delivery and public trust. Integrated financial management system, an online financial management platform used by both central and state government in India for efficient management of public finances, bringing transparency and accountability to government financial operations. Integration, transparency, efficiency, e-governance, and monitoring are its components. Technology integration in governance, audit revolution, pension monetization, financial integration. Election Commission delists 474 registered unrecognized parties over poll no show. Consider GS2 polity and governance. Total delisted were 808. Combined number of parties removed from registration. Six consecutive years without contesting election triggers delisting. 14 Bihar parties delisted from Bihar ahead of November Assembly election. Regulatory framework. The Election Commission guidelines stipulated that a party can be removed from the list of registered parties if it does not contest election for 6 consecutive years. Historical context. The Election Commission has been conducting exercises to remove defunct RUPPs since 2001, implementing this cleanup process approximately 3 to 4 times to maintain electoral transparency and financial reporting standards. Understanding registered unrecognized parties. Understanding registered unrecognized political parties. Key features: election participation, tax benefits, eligible for income exemption, and can receive donation. Symbol allocation, disclosure requirements must comply with the funding. Must comply with the funding and expenditure disclosure income norms. Electoral reforms and party accountability. Regulatory cleanup initiative, election commission, systematic delisting of inactive political parties, compliance enforcement, financial transparency, and system integrity. Future of democratic governance, technology innovation, citizen-centric service, enhanced transparency, greater accountability. Russia proposes localizing large and small nuclear power plant in India, expanding Indo-Russian civil nuclear energy cooperation post Gudangudam project. Comes under GS3 Science and Technology. Strategic partnership development. Russia has proposed comprehensive cooperation. Okay, Vienna meeting. Rostom Director General Alexei Lekhachev met with the Indian delegation during IAEA General Conference. Localization offer Russia offered cooperation in localizing large and smaller nuclear plants in India. Three stages nuclear power program. Stage 1 pressurized heavy water reactors. Stage 2 fast breeder reactors. Stage 3 thorium based advanced heavy water reactors. Implementation framework the program is implemented by Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited under Department of Atomic Energy. Please practice a smart question. Thank you.